Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine combining two powerful, natural ingredients and unlocking a world of health benefits you never even thought possible. If you think you've tried it all, think again, because today, we are about to dive into the fascinating and surprising world of castor oil and baking soda. You've probably heard of them separately, but wait until you hear what happens when you mix these two. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the incredible and almost magical effects that occur when castor oil is combined with baking soda. Stick around until the end because there's a jaw-dropping twist that will leave even doctors speechless. So, if you're curious about how to transform your health and wellness with just these two common household ingredients, make sure you watch all the way through. The powerful combo you never knew you needed. Let's start with a question. Have you ever thought about the healing power of castor oil? We all know that castor oil has been a staple in many households for generations, used for everything from skin care to relieving joint pain. But here's the thing. When you combine it with baking soda, something truly remarkable happens. The power of these two ingredients together creates a supercharged effect that you can't ignore. This combination can take your health, beauty, and wellness to a whole new level. Imagine boosting your immune system, improving your skin, and detoxifying your body, all at once. Sounds unbelievable, right? But trust me, it's not just a gimmick. You'll soon understand exactly why doctors are stunned by this combo. The surprising health benefits of castor oil and baking soda. Let's break it down. First, we have castor oil. This golden liquid is packed with a powerful compound known as ricinoleic acid, which gives it its remarkable healing properties. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat everything from digestive issues to skin problems. Whether it's soothing sore muscles, fighting acne, or even encouraging hair growth, castor oil has proven itself time and time again as a health powerhouse. But when combined with baking soda, the magic happens. Baking soda is not just for cleaning or baking. Did you know that it has powerful detoxifying and anti-inflammatory properties? This simple, affordable ingredient can help with a variety of health issues, from soothing sunburn to relieving heartburn, and even neutralizing body odor. When you mix it with castor oil, the results can be mind-blowing. Together, they enhance each other's effects, giving you a potent combination that works wonders for your body in ways you never thought possible. What happens to your skin? Let's talk about something we all care about, skin. If you've ever struggled with acne, dry skin, or even eczema, you'll want to pay close attention to this. One of the most incredible things that happens when you mix castor oil with baking soda is the transformation it can bring to your skin. Castor oil is known for its deep moisturizing properties, while baking soda is an exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Together, they create a powerful facial treatment that can leave your skin feeling smoother, clearer, and more radiant than ever before. Now, picture this. You've had a long day, your skin is feeling tired and irritated, and you're looking for a way to restore its natural glow. Simply mixing castor oil and baking soda into a DIY mask can work wonders. As you apply this mixture, it penetrates deep into your skin, drawing out impurities and bacteria, while soothing and nourishing it at the same time. It's a win-win, and you'll be amazed by the results. Castor oil and baking soda for joint pain and inflammation. You might be thinking, okay, but what about something that's not just about beauty? Let me tell you about something even more fascinating. Castor oil and baking soda are not just miracle workers for your skin, they can also do wonders for your joints and inflammation. Whether you're dealing with arthritis, muscle pain, or general discomfort, this combination can help alleviate pain and reduce swelling. Castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the joints, while baking soda works as a natural pain reliever. When you combine these two, you create a powerhouse remedy for those nagging aches and pains. Imagine rubbing a little of this mixture onto your sore joints and feeling relief within just a few minutes. It's like a natural painkiller, without the harmful side effects of over-the-counter medications. Just massage the mixture gently into the affected area, and let the magic begin. Detoxify your body with castor oil and baking soda. Now, here's a real game changer. Detoxing your body naturally is a powerful way to boost your overall health, but did you know that castor oil and baking soda can help you detoxify your body faster and more effectively? Castor oil is known for its ability to stimulate the lymphatic system, which helps eliminate toxins from your body. Meanwhile, Baking soda is known for its ability to neutralize acids and remove harmful substances. When combined, they form a detoxifying powerhouse that can help cleanse your body from the inside out. Imagine feeling lighter, more energetic, and healthier after just a few days of using this combination. You can take it internally, but please consult with a healthcare provider first, or use it externally, like a detoxifying bath soak, to rid your body of unwanted toxins. It's a great way to reset your body and give your immune system the boost it needs to fight off infections and illness. Will castor oil and baking soda help with your hair? Let's talk about one of the most common concerns people have: hair. Whether you're dealing with hair loss, thinning hair, or dry scalp, castor oil and baking soda may be just what you need. Castor oil has long been recognized for its ability to promote hair growth and strengthen hair follicles. And when you add baking soda into the mix, you're creating a treatment that can cleanse your scalp, remove product buildup, and enhance the growth cycle of your hair. By simply massaging a mixture of castor oil and baking soda into your scalp, you can stimulate blood flow and promote healthier hair growth. The baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and buildup that can block hair follicles, while the castor oil nourishes and hydrates your scalp and hair. Over time, this combination can help make your hair thicker, shinier, and more vibrant. The jaw-dropping twist doctors are speechless about. Now, I know what you've been waiting for: the twist that will leave you speechless. When you combine castor oil and baking soda, you're not just getting a powerful topical remedy. Did you know this mixture can actually improve your digestive health too? That's right. Both castor oil and baking soda have digestive benefits that will surprise you. Castor oil helps relieve constipation by stimulating your digestive system, while baking soda can neutralize stomach acid and alleviate bloating. Together, they work like a charm to keep your digestive system running smoothly. But here's the kicker: some people have reported using this mixture for a colon cleanse of sorts, gently easing constipation while giving their digestive tract a much-needed reset. While this is not something you should do every day, it's a great occasional detox that can leave your gut feeling refreshed and healthy. So there you have it. The combination of castor oil and baking soda isn't just an old wives' tale. It's a natural remedy that's been proven time and time again to work wonders for your skin, hair, joints, digestion, and overall health. Whether you're looking for a powerful beauty hack, pain relief, or a full body detox, this simple mixture can give you results that will leave you stunned. The best part? These ingredients are readily available in most households, so you don't need to break the bank to experience the benefits. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends so they can discover the magic of castor oil and baking soda too. Until next time, take care and start embracing the power of natural remedies for a healthier, happier you.